Today's a very exciting day here for the Prince William County Fire and Rescue. We have signed 7 students for our next recruit school starting in June from all across the county.
So the Public Safety Program at Unity Reed is a very robust program. We're extremely excited to be able to support our students in learning not only the EMT side of things, but also the firefighting side of things, and really preparing our students to become global citizens.
Oh, we're really excited, and we couldn't ask for a better partner. The opportunity to really, at the very base level, teach growing adults how the fire system works and how important the fire department is to our community as a whole. Turns out that some of them also are interested in joining the fire service, whether it's here, someplace else, a volunteer, or as a career, and so the school's been a great opportunity to do that.
I think it was a super awesome opportunity they would give to high school students like me. I actually got started with interest in public safety as a whole, and then I found my way into firefighting, and then when I had picked up my interest into it, I saw that we had offered a program with high schoolers, and I decided to join from there.
If this school didn't open a gateway for me to get into this, I don't know if I would be here right now. The school has been entirely supportive of me. Counselors recommended it. It is incredible.